How to use your own toll pass in Zipcar. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. This is the official article from Zipcar. Can I use my own toll pass in a Zipcar? We do not recommend using your own toll pass in Zipcar since tolls are calculated by the Zipcar license plate and are not refundable. This ensures you'll not be receiving two charges for the tolls, and you will receive the single toll charge in your Zipcar invoice. Also, make sure you understand double charge risk and also confirm toll passes aren't included in Zipcar if you want to use, and avoid transporter lanes if you're trying to prevent double charges. And this is how to use your own toll pass in Zipcar. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.